Welcome English 11. Today we're talking about character types. A character can either be round or flat. We will examine each of these terms. Round character. A well-developed, lifelike character with realistic emotions, conflicting feelings, and multiple traits. Write it down. Here's an example of a round character. Remember, they are a well-developed, lifelike character with realistic emotions, conflicting feelings, and multiple traits. Carrie doesn't know what to do. She thinks that her friend Veronica may be getting abused. Carrie keeps finding large bruises and marks on her legs and arms. When she tries to talk to Veronica about this, Veronica covers the marks and tells Carrie that she can't talk about it. Carrie is concerned that if she doesn't do anything, it might get worse. But she also doesn't want to do anything to threaten her friendship with Veronica. Carrie demonstrates multiple, realistic sides to her personality. She is emotionally conflicted. That makes her a round character. Again, a round character is a well-developed, lifelike character with realistic emotions, conflicting feelings, and multiple traits. Flat character. An one-dimensional character that does not display emotional depth and has a single set of traits. Let's take a look at an example. Vince was exhausted from doing laps. His throat was dry and scratchy, and the summer sun pounded down on him. He finally summoned the courage to ask Coach Lewis if he could get a drink of water. Coach Lewis laughed. "You can get everyone some water, water boy." Coach Lewis had a reputation for winning, but he also had a reputation for doing whatever it took to win. Coach Lewis is not a warm guy. We know that he is tough, but we do not learn why. No internal struggle with his feeling is revealed. Therefore, he is a flat character. Again, a flat character is a one-dimensional character that does not display emotional depth and has a single set of traits. Now, let's practice a little bit. So what we're going to do is read a story and we're going to analyze the characters and then answer the questions. Juan wasn't technically supposed to be in the country. He was considered by law to be an illegal immigrant, but Juan didn't look at it that way. He wanted a better life for his family, no matter what it took, so he worked 3 hard jobs for minimum wage. He sent what money he could back to his family. It was a hard and lonely life for Juan, and it was only made harder by one of his bosses, Rick. "Hey, Pablo, I need you to clean the toilets again." Juan did not like that Rick called him Pablo, which was not his name, but he had little choice but to accept his treatment. "Andale, amigo," Rick shouted at Juan while clapping. After hurrying to the washroom with the janitorial supplies, he noticed that the toilets were, in fact, still clean. Juan, however, did not bother raising the argument with Rick, who would only find a different way to make his life harder. While further cleaning the already clean toilets, Juan wondered what had happened in Rick's life to make him so hateful. Is Rick a flat or a round character? If I re-examine the definitions for round and flat, I know that flat is one-dimensional and round is multiple. Let's take a look. Rick is a flat character because he appears as a single-sided bully who shows little depth. Is Juan a round character or a flat character? Again, round, multiple dimensions, and flat is just one. Remember, Juan is the main character of the story. Juan is a round character because of the conflicts within his character. While Juan is breaking the law, many readers would be sympathetic to his reasons for doing so. Also, instead of just hating Rick for bullying him, Juan also considers the causes of Rick's feelings, which shows some emotional depth on Juan's part. A character can either be round or flat.